Alright, so welcome back guys. Ang tagal din natin nawala, and for today's video, we are going to check out another DeFi platform. And guys, ito po siya, ang AID or AI DeFi. So before I start guys, let me remind you that this is not a financial advice. This is only for or purely for educational purposes only. So makinig kayo kung gusto nyong malaman kung ano ba ito, and tingnan natin siya. Tara na, let's go. Ayan, alright. So welcome back again. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, ang tagal natin nawala. So, ito tayo sa AIDAV2.com. So basically, this is another DeFi platform na nakita natin. Sa mga hindi po nakakalam ng DeFi, okay, so tingnan natin na DeFi is basically a platform. Ayan, tingnan natin ha kung anong DeFi. So DeFi in short is for decentralized finance, refers for financial services built on blockchain technology. And some examples nito is yung mga alam na natin, di ba? Hindi ko na sasabihin kasi alam nyo naman. Para meron tayo dito, yung parang mga sula na sula tuloy. Yung mga may mga swap, may makikita kayong swap doon. Ayun, di ba? Alam niyo na 'yon. So, AID, so AI DeFi basically is also a DeFi, but they are integrating AI intelligence or AI or artificial intelligence sa kanilang DeFi para mas ma-utilize na ng mga nagamit nito yung kanilang project. So, about us muna tayo. Tingnan natin sila kung ano ba sila. And mayroon din silang company, I think. So, the next generation AI-powered DeFi infrastructure. So, AID, so cutting-edge AI-driven infrastructure designed to redefine decentralized finance or yung kilala natin bilang DeFi. By integrating artificial intelligence at every level focus on AI development and its application in blockchain ecosystems. AID enhances automation, optimizes decision-making, and revolutionizes data analytics for smarter, more efficient financial interactions. So, basically, yun. Okay, ito yung kanilang comprehensive blockchain services. Ay meron silang full service blockchain solutions, enhanced security, rapid deployment, open platform, transparency, and expert team. Ito, makikita nyo dito yan. And basically, more about their project lang naman yan. Yung sa AID ecosystem infrastructure, makikita mo dito umiikot yan. And yeah, basically, that's it, no? Marami sila dito, so make sure to check out naman yan. So, ito naman yung company nila, yung sa company. Ito, makikita nyo guys. And AID AV2 Ltd, guys. In United States, led by Jason Scott Runyon. Ayun yung kanilang CEO. And basically, the company focuses on the development of AI and big data-driven digital interaction systems. Okay? So, balik tayo dito. Home tayo. So, basically, dito sa AID, makikita nyo dito yung typical lang naman. Okay? But, more on sa AI side sila. DeFi platform. So, makikita dito yung DeFi overview, guys. And, makikita nyo dito. Diba? Makikita nyo dito, guys. Pati may white paper din sila, guys. So, make sure to check out their white paper as always, no? Lagi natin tinitingnan to dahil nandito lahat ng information about it. And, yeah. Tapos, DeFi overview, nandito na guys, yung kanilang DeFi overview, 14 billion plus for the past 24 hours and 1 minute, 7 days, and weekly change. Nakikita nyo yan dan. Ito yung kanilang DX volume. And, hindi lang yung kanilang makita nyo dito kasi they are also have risk analysis or risk level or ma-analysis sa kanilang, sa iba't ibang project like STET and GDEX, RLP, marami sila ditong ina-analyze, okay? But you can check it out, guys. May bayad nga lang to. So, kayo na po ang bahala kung ito-try out ninyo. Basically, it's a DeFi na may subscription. Okay? So, kayo na po ang bahala, diba? Kung wala naman kayo, marami naman mga libre dan. But, it depends, no? Kayo na po ang bahala. At, hindi naman po ito financial advice. This is only a educational purpose lang naman, okay? So, makikita na sa website nila yung kanilang risk level sa mga tokens. Makikita nyo dan yan. Stable tokens sa mga ganan. Low, medium, moderate, or high. Makikita nyo po dito yan. Okay? And basically, they are giving you full analysis about a certain token in exchange for a subscription. Okay? Ito naman yung total value lock nila. Volume, nandito na rin. Yung mga top gainers nila, pwede kayong mag-join dito. Ayun nga, sabi ko sa inyo, may bayad po yan. Okay? DeFi yields top losers. DeFi protocols, nandito rin, meron din sila dito. Yields rankings, meron din sila dito. DX volume chains. Siyempre, nangunguna na Ethereum. BSC and Solana, di ba? And name, Pancake Swap yan. One of the DeFi din po yan. So, ayun na. Okay, makikita nyo dito. Meron din sila ditong yung atin, di ba? Meron sila dito. Mga C. Ayan yung C. Makita nyo po dito yan, guys. Kumbaga, ano siya eh. Blockchain na mismo talaga. Kasi nga, yung DeFi is nasa blockchain din naman talaga yan. ETH, Solana, BSC, Base, and marami silang supported dan. Eagle Eye. Kikita nyo natin dito. Meron din pa sila dito may Eagle Eye. Mabagal na siguro wifi ko, guys. Makita nyo po yan dito. And of course, Swap. Hindi po mawawala sa mga DeFi po ito. Swap. Meron din sila dito, guys. Meron din sila ditong Bridge. Okay? If you want to know how to bridge, marami po nan sa YouTube. Check it out po. At ayun nga. So, maraming pwedeng paggamitan ng mga bridge, guys. Ito naman yung AI DeFi, yung pinaka sa kanila na new lossless cycle risk-taking track. Ito, risk-taking track po ito. Basically, parang staking na rin. No? DApp. Ito, guys, DApp. Ayan. Leading Web3 blockchain data DApp po. Okay. Tapos, guys, meron din sila ditong white paper na pakita na natin and yung kanilang supported language. So, basically, yun po yung AI DeFi or AID. So, meron din po sila dito mga social communities like this one. Ito, kanilang Telegram channel. They currently have 78,415 subscribers. And dito naman kanilang X, formerly known as Twitter. Ito, you can follow them pala, sorry. And ito, guys, yung kanilang AID team. Ito, ang Global Business Development Manager, si Mark Henry, si Verma, CEO, si Navdeep Garg, ayan guys, co-founder, Revolutionaries AI, Shiba Inu developer. And basically, ano to eh, ito yung kanilang ano pala, naging AMA nila. Ayan. So, ito naman yung CEO, AID. CEO is si Jason Runyon. Ayan, ito po si Jason Runyon, guys, sa mga hindi po nakakaalam. And they are posting a lot of things about him din naman. Okay? So, makita niya dan. Ito. Katulad nito, guys, may mga videos po sila dito. You can check it out para mas makilala nyo si Jason Runyon. And, syempre, guys, meron sila ditong AIDA V2 or version 2 na YouTube channel with 6,061k subscribers. 6,610 subscribers with 21 videos. And, guys, most of them features their CEO, si Jason Runyon po. Okay, you can check it out naman. And ito, di ba, makikita nyo naman dito yung mga information about him, mga project, orientations, meetings, conferences that he has been through. Makikita nyo naman dito yan. And most important is yung kanilang project information. Nandito naman po lahat yan. So, check it out na lang para alam nyo or mas makilala nyo kanilang CEO na si Jason Runyon. Okay? Kita naman dito po yan, okay? And yung kanilang mga project information, nandito na rin po lahat. So basically, this video is for us for me to cover the entire AI DeFi. So for educational purposes again, and para malaman nyo na meron bagong ganito. So actually, hindi siya bago eh, but ngayon ko lang siya nakita kaya I decided to check it out. So guys, this is AI DeFi. Maganda ba siya, guys? Tingnan natin sa comment section below. Nasa inyo ang decision. Kayo pong bahala. Tingnan natin. Comment nyo guys kung nagustuhan nyo to. But yun nga guys, maraming salamat po. This is AI DeFi. I'm Cheese Gaming. Bye bye.